Hey, I'm Natalia. Welcome to my little studio space. And today I'm going to show you how to make a narrow hem, baby hem. And this is really commonly seen on like button-down shirts. So here, I'm going to show you an example of a narrow hem. Narrow hems can be used on like button-down shirts, men's or women's. So I'm gonna show you like a super easy method on how to do that, and it doesn't require any cutting, any trimming, any of that. So what we're gonna do, it's just a straight edge of cotton fabric, and what I'm going to do is sew a 1/4 of an inch just as a guideline. This is the 1/4 inch guideline. I did it in a contrast thread so it'd be easier to see. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take this 1/4 inch and you're going to fold it right across the edge using that as a guideline. You're going to edge stitch right on that line. So now that I did that, there's 1 row of stitching on this side and then 2 rows of stitching on this side. The next step is to fold this over once again, and then you're going to edge stitch. So this is the final result. It was super easy, comes out really clean, and with a matching thread, it'll look perfect, like the perfect narrow hem. So, but here I did it in black, so it's easier to see for you guys. This is the, outward facing. It's just 1 row of stitching, and then this is how it looks on the inside, so there's 2 rows of stitching. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and also if you want to do an even narrower hem, you can follow the same steps, but instead of doing a 1/4 of an inch, you'll do an 1/8 of an inch, and then you'll have like an even skinnier hem. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the future. And also thank you so much to everyone who's like reached out to me, like messaged me or whatever, saying that they like my video. Super sweet. Love it. Love you guys. Okay, bye.